Welcome to Bytes. In today's video, we're solving a classic NumPy problem, how to convert a 1D array into a diagonal matrix, using just one line of code. Let's break it down. You're given a NumPy array like 1, 2, 3. Your task is to transform it into a matrix where those numbers sit perfectly along the diagonal and everything else is 0. Sounds complex? With NumPy, it's not. Here's the code. Import NumPy. Then define your function. Def make diagonal x. Return np.diag x. That's all it takes. NumPy's diag function directly maps the values from a 1D array into a 2D square matrix, placing them along the main diagonal. This trick is super helpful when building identity-weighted layers, working with covariance matrices, or setting up initial weights in machine learning. Both test cases passed. Clean, fast, and bugless, just the way we like it. If you enjoyed this trick, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Bytes, your hub for Python, NumPy, and ML coding magic. And here's a sneak peek of what's coming next. We'll calculate the dot product of two vectors using NumPy, another one-liner that's powerful and essential in machine learning. Don't miss it. See you in the next one. Until then, happy coding.